Hello guys, welcome back to The Mood. Today we are the 16th of March 2021, and without further ado, let's watch my video of yesterday where I told you guys to buy again Luna. That was actually a very safe trade. So there it is. I was telling you to buy it just at that point at 15.17, right? And what happened later on when we check at Luna's price yesterday? Let's go back on the 30-minute charts. What happened is precisely guys what I told you to do, and I'm telling you to buy Luna since it was $4. I told you right there, if you were subscribing to this channel you wouldn't have missed it, so please do subscribe it right now. And you got here my Twitter handle, please don't forget to add me also on your Twitter account. And without further ado, let's get into the daily Bitcoin analysis. So going back to Bitcoin, we can see that we had a nice little recovery there on the 4-hour chart. Yeah, we shouldn't have ignored these two bearish divergences here that were already outstanding a few days ago, and I did not pay attention because earlier during the bull run we had so many of them and none of them had played out. So this time it's a lesson to learn about what can happen. My initial target of 48,000 might be reached, but right now we are totally bouncing back, and there are good signs that actually this might not happen for the next coming days. In fact, RSI is super low and we found a resistance on it, and the fear is high enough for me on the VIX to maintain the price at this level. So we are actually bouncing back, and this is the resistance line I drew yesterday, and it's totally holding for now. So I would be quite comfortable if you have a long position here. I would keep it and I would start scanning up if we go lower. If you didn't enter any trade right now, I would wait a little bit to see how things are going. If we break this 59 resistance line, I would enter right away to get a trade that can eventually take you to 70k. On Ethereum, we found exactly the same configuration, but to me it's even more bullish because on the 30-minute chart we see actually a lot of bullish divergence here. Not one, but 1, 2, 3. And that's going to be enough for me. That's enough convincing for me to imagine that we might reach again this level that I planned before, that we have actually a resistance line here that I didn't draw earlier, but I'm going to draw it. And we might reach that resistance line today on the 1866. And the price is actually totally magnet up there. That's why I put a little bit of a magnet, right? On the 4-hour chart, we see that we have something going on here. If Ethereum at that point, with all the fundamentals, good news that are happening, a settling has been found with the miners that are not threatening anymore of a 51% attack. Now we got all skies clear and something can happen totally on Ethereum. As I was telling on my Twitter account a few days ago, something might happen, and I would not be surprised if in the coming days we see a super moonshot to the price of 2,400 or 2,500. I'm actually in Ethereum since 2 days, and I will sell if we reach that price target. I would sell a bit earlier, around 2,400. That would be the safest price and the safest bet to do on it. I'm actually also on Rune, and let's go back to the 30-minute chart. Rune is on an ascending trend, and there is absolutely no reason why it would stop. We found support. We have a lot of bullish divergence here that are gonna play out, that didn't do it yet, but it's there. So I would not be surprised if my price prediction here from 2 days ago actually find a fulfillment in the coming hours or day. BNB has a little bit more of a difficulty, but we can see that actually we are following this trend line. Also the same bullish divergence here that we should not ignore, so something might totally happen. Litecoin is gonna probably reach in today this bold statement that I drew a few hours ago that would take us to 232 level. I don't see any drop, any further drop. Same guys, we got the same bullish divergence here. That's very important. Also, let's have a quick look at Doge. And that was my prediction from a few days ago. I started when the price target was here, when the price was here. I believe we are going up on Doge again to 0.06. And then same guys, same stuff. All over market is clearing up. I feel like there is less fear. We got good news. We got Elon Musk giving himself the title of crypto techno king of Tesla, and that's actually hilarious. And the master of coins, nothing else than master of coins. That's hilarious. He's totally playing with the market, playing with the SEC. And I tell you, Elon is probably Satoshi Nakamoto, probably, much probably. So he's going to do a lot for us, and he's going to help us ride this bull run to the maximum it can be and save Bitcoin when it's in difficulty, when it's dumped by nasty whales that want to buy it lower, like we saw here. Guys, that's all it was. That's all it was. It was dumped by whales to frighten all the small investors and kill all the leverage traders. That's what happened on a daily basis on Bitcoin, and that's what they want to do. That's why you shouldn't use any kind of leverage, because when you use leverage, you become a target for these entities, and they are going after you. That's how they make their money. Guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. The Mood, the channel, the Twitter here. You got all my analysis down there in the comments, so you can read it with a peaceful mind. And you got eventually my Bitcoin address if you want to send some tips. Why not? That's always welcome. And a referral link if you want to open an account on Binance. You will get $200 bonus. So thank you for watching again, and until tomorrow that we will debrief all these things. I wish you a very, very, very great day. And if you're new to The Mood, welcome. We are a growing community here, so you're super, super welcome. Have a great day, and bye bye.